Juvenile Law Center advocates for rights, dignity, equity, and opportunity for youth. We work to reduce the harm of child welfare and justice systems, limit their reach, and ultimately abolish them so all young people can thrive. Young people in the Youth Advocacy Program learn and engage in policy, advocacy, media outreach, and public education. Youth build leadership and storytelling skills, gain political knowledge, and create a community with their peers. I'm here today to show my support for investment in communities and not systems. If the city spent more time investing in communities instead of the legal system, young people and adults wouldn't be arrested as much and then subjected to a system that caused so much harm. Personally, being a young adult having to experience the system, I can honestly say that the system did more harm to me mentally than good. Only after leaving the system is when I found out about the communities and the programs that were available within my community. Being in the system, I experienced, and know others have experienced, abuse of authority, lack of education, violence, lack of mental health support, no confidentiality, and the minimum communication to loved ones. Young people are set up to fail. The lack of restorative practices creates a cycle for young people to continuously reoffend because they weren't given the right tools or support after the offense. Investing in communities can create more spaces for young people to learn life skills and have access to resources for education, mental health, recreation, and housing stability. I would like to see the City Council and Mayor Parker invest more in communities and the programs that already exist within those different communities and create more programs within the near future. There are outreach services, warm lines, and hotlines that are voluntarily and consent-based that can be used in instances of mental health or wellness emergencies. I would like to see an investment in community-based services and mental health services where community members can be offered non-carceral alternatives to support and give justice to help limit arrests and build trust within communities. I would like to see the City Council and Mayor Parker invest in and work with schools and grassroots organizations to develop more activities and opportunities for youth to participate in, like work, mentorships, internships, sports, etc., wraparound programs and services, churches. Lastly, I would like to see the City Council and Mayor Parker invest in designating safe spaces or hubs for youth to gather together and feel safely within the evenings, throughout the days, after school. This should include safe transportation for youth that does not include police vehicles.
Yes.